Hello, this is Queen Crystal here today. Today we're going to be doing shopkins sound effects. And Savannah will be doing the sound effects. I'll name the shopkin and she'll do the sound effects.
And I'll try to think of one. If I can't think of one, I'll let you know. And then Queen Crystal can try.
Oh, I was gonna
Stinky feet. No.
boo you. Oh, I said boo you. Sorry.
Alright, let's keep going.
Okay.
So that's kind of loud.
First one. That's Downy.
I don't know. I don't eat scones. Queen Crystal.
Moo shake.
Moo.
Shake. Wendy wedding cake.
Who's having a wedding?
This is Bloanna.
Like fan sound. I don't know.
Bloanne.
Same thing. They're the same.
Yeah, but one of them has darker lines. You showed me,
Blow
and the lighter one is William water bottle.
Wally.
Oh, Wally water bottle. Sparkly.
Who needs some water? Go, 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 go.
Sadie soda.
Who needs a soda?
I thought you were gonna say.
I did that last time.
Yeah. Candy cookie.
Cookie, 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 cookie.
Yummy sundae.
Yummy, 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 yummy. In my tummy, tummy.
Well, this is this. Wait, what? Oh, I remember the difference. The longer eyes.
That's shoes and the other one's hand.
This is shoes.
Waka, waka,
Well, shoes.
waka, waka.
And
Waka, 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 waka.
creamy cookie.
I'm creamy.
Eat me. Taylor Rain.
Yep. Jump, 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 jump. Raindrops.
Oh yeah, fish sticks.
Season one shot. Fish, fish, fishy, 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 fishy.
Cherry tomato.
I'm a cherry and tomato.
So adorable. Scooby Doo. Ooh, ooh.
Ice cream, you scream, I'll scream for ice cream.
Surveillance.
Who needs a napkin?
We did that one last time too. Radio soon.
Doom, 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 doom.
Scooby one.
Ice cream, ice cream, ice cream.
Shaky shack.
Shake, shake, shake. Shake, shake, shake. Shake your booty. Shake your booty.
There we go. Coney.
Who wants a delicious cone named Coney?
Frogurt.
Why don't you try, Queen Crystal?
What?
You can try.
For Frogurt?
Yeah. I've had frozen yogurt, but I don't know what to say.
Oh, okay, I can do that. I scream, you scream, we all scream for yogurt. No.
That one doesn't have a sound effect. Sorry, Frogurt.
That's okay.